Hello everyone, from today we shall start a new tutorial series on Arduino programming. I'll start from a pretty basic level, that means I'll first cover the fundamental parts. And when you start learning something like Arduino, you need to know the fundamental parts. Okay, I'll cover all these. Without fundamental parts, Arduino will be really very difficult things to learn. Now, I'll be your instructor. My name is Anupam Pal, and I'll cover all the necessary and important concepts for sure. And if you want, actually, if I want, I can make probably many videos. 400, 500 videos probably on Arduino, but that is something I think not feasible. So I'll go to a decent depth, till a decent depth, so that you understand all the important concepts of Arduino programming. Now, one more important aspects, if you are from electronics background, then learning Arduino is very easy for you. And if you are not from electronics background, then one very important aspect is that you need to follow the proper path. Without following the proper path, it may confuse you like anything. Okay, so you just have to have some patience, and if you have basic familiarities with some electronic components, that will be very helpful to you. And one more thing, that if you can make one circuit in the breadboard from any diagram, then it is fine. So these are the two things that you need to know. If you already know about these two things, that means basic familiarities with some electronic components, and making a circuit on the breadboard from a diagram, these two things, if you already know, then it is fine. If you do not know, then you can learn it very easily. These are not very difficult things to learn. You just have to have some concentration and patience, and you can learn these two things. Now, what more, you need to have Arduino board, and along with that you also need to have some electronic components which you need to purchase. Why I'm mentioning, because if you're learning, say, any programming language, you just need to have one PC, any computer. But in case of Arduino, you need to have PC, and along with that you need to have the Arduino board and some hardware electronics component. Okay. Then the other thing is that I'll cover everything. It's not that I'll not talk about the electronic components, or I'll not show you how to make the breadboards. I'll show you both these things. I'll first explain about the electronic components, and I'll also show you how you make these things in breadboard, and if possible I may also show you in the simulation software. These three things I'll do, and I'll cover, as I have already told you, I'll cover almost all the necessary and important concepts, and I'll go till a decent depth. Okay, so get ready, and I'm sure you will enjoy the whole learning process thoroughly. So thank you, and we shall meet again in the next video.